From KETK, you're watching East Texas Live.
Welcome back to East Texas Live on KETK. Joining us now is Cody Jones with Cooperative Teachers Credit Union, and he's going to give us some advice on how to house hunt in 2022. Good morning, Cody.
Good morning,
Thanks
Susan.
for coming in.
Oh, well, thanks for having me.
So we've all heard that the housing prices are crazy, the interest rates are now really high. What sort of advice would you have for someone coming into this high price, high rate market?
Well, my first advice would be for, first-time home buyers or home buyers in general to look at more conventional lending options. Conventional lending options could be very beneficial during this time.
And why would I want to look at that?
Well, on a conventional lending, we have different options, such as like a 5-1 ARM. Conventional lending options will allow for lower interest rates with less upfront fees, and also will allow for lower payments as we're facing higher interest rates and higher prices. With a lower payment, you would have better, qualification availability based on your debt-to-income ratio.
Sure. So I hear a lot about 15-year mortgages, 30-year mortgages. How is that different?
So 15 and 30-year mortgages typically are backed by, Fannie Mae. And those are fixed rates for long periods of time, and currently right now we're in a high rate environment. So some people may say that having a higher interest rate during a high rate time fixed for a long period of time may not be as beneficial, whereas a 5-1 would allow you to get a little bit lower interest rate than is currently available for 15 or 30, and would allow you to make plans for the future.
Right.
In a reasonable time frame where you're not paying upfront fees or prepaid interest to the bank during that time.
Tell me about points and fees.
So points and fees for 30-year fix, you'll start seeing that a lot now as interest rates go up, where you can prepay basically your interest in order to get a lower rate.
Okay.
But that's an upfront prepaid interest to the bank, which will, break even after a certain amount of years in your 30-year fixed mortgage. So you would have to keep that 30-year fixed mortgage for a decent amount of time. But most people do have a lot of things that happen during their life within 5 years. They'd like to remodel, maybe debt consolidation, or job relocation, needing to move or change houses. So a lot can happen in 5 years.
You mentioned it was fixed for 5 years and then every 5 years after that. Right, tell me about that.
Yeah, so it's fixed for the first 5, and then every year after that, it goes to a fixed rate per year. And that goes off of what we have called an index. Many banks use different indexes, but like a common one that you might hear of is LIBOR. And so what the rate is based off of is that current index, which is not related to the bank you're getting the loan with, and that bank's spread of what they put in your contract. So for example, if LIBOR is at 1% and the bank gives a 3% spread in your contract, then your rate would be 4%. Right. The nice thing about it is these contracts usually have caps, which a lot of people aren't aware of. So they get a little nervous that, it can, get repriced every year. But the bank doesn't want you to default. They want it to be a good performing loan, so we do put on caps to where it can't go up above a certain percentage rate.
Oh, nice.
And so that's something that you'll want to educate yourself on to make sure that you're finding the right loan.
Absolutely. Yeah, I knew nothing about that. Thanks so much for sharing. We've given our viewers a ton of information, right? So if they want to talk to you, if they want to learn more, how do they do that?
Well, it's simple. They can just give us a call at Cooperative Teachers Credit Union. We're at 903-561-2603.
Perfect. Thanks for coming in today, Cody.
I appreciate it.
Great information.
Thank you.